Now before starting this video, let me show you this solution beats 100% of the online Java submissions, and its runtime is 1 milliseconds and memory wise is also good. So let's just directly jump into the problem statement. So today we will solve this problem, smallest divisible digital product 1. So we are given an integer, two integers n and t, and we have to return the smallest number which is greater than or equal to n, such that the products of these digits is divisible by t. So what we can do, we can try to take an example to understand this problem statement first. Initially we are given one input n equal to 10 and t equal to 2. So our output should be 10. Now what is the criteria or the logic behind it? The digital product of 10 is 0. That means 1 into 0 will always be 0, which is divisible by 2. 0 divided by 2 will always be 0. So making it the smallest number greater than or equal to 10 that satisfies the condition. So our output will be 10 only. Now let's try to understand from example 2, which is 15 and t equal to 3. Output is given as 16. So the digital product of 16 is 6, which is divisible by 3, making the smallest number greater than or equal to 15 that satisfies this condition. So 16 is 1 greater than 15 and it's divisible by 3 also. So our output should be 16 only. Now let's jump to the code part. So we are given a function public int smallest number and we are passing int n and int t inside it. So let me just open my IDE and I will try to solve this problem over there. So I have already make one class smallest divisible digit and the same function we are having. So what we can do, we can try to take an example of n equal to 15 and t equal to 3 from here. So it will be easier to understand. So let me just try to run the code. So what we can do, initially we can make one function which will be a Boolean function. That function name will be check, and we will pass our int num comma int t inside it. We will take one integer, that is product, and its value will be product and its value will be 1. Now we will run while condition over here to check all the digit of a num till the value is greater than 0. We will multiply each and every digits. So it should be num mod 10. Num mod 10. There should be no space between product and this. Sorry, product and equal to. Now num is equal to num divided by 10. We will run this loop till our product is 0. So if product equal to 0, our loop will break and we will come out. And at last we will return our product and we will check it with the mod of t if it's 0 or not. So this condition actually check the divisibility part, whether the product is divisible or not. Now here comes the remaining part. So we will check while not check and we will pass our n and t over here. If the value doesn't justify it, we will return one digit plus the result we want. So in the case of 15, suppose we need 16 over here, so it will be incremented and we will return our n over here. I will run the whole code and I will explain how it is currently running. So let me just try to run this. We are getting as an output of 16. Now let's debug this problem, how it is running for each and every steps. So initially our check function has been called n comma t, so where value are 15 and 3, which will be passed from here. I will increment the debugger. So int product is equal to 1, which is the default value which we have taken. So our num15 is greater than 0. Num15 is greater than 0. The condition is true, so it will go to product. Now product, what it will do, that num15 mod 10, it will give us 5. So 5 is the value of product right currently, and the value of num will become 1, because 15, if we do the mod of 15, then only 1 is remaining now. Now that product is not 0, product is currently 5, so the condition will not break and it will run again. Now we will once again multiply this and we will get the product equal to 5. Num is equal to 0. So now the product is 5, we will run condition once again and num is greater than 0. So the condition is false now. Result, the product value is 5, t is equal to 3. This condition is not true. So our value will get incremented one step. So our resulting output, see, now 16, it will check with 16 all the cases. Product is equal to 6, num equal to 1. Product equal to 6, t is equal to 3. Now divisibility is happening. We will return this 16. Output is 16. Let's try to understand from one more example, 10 and 2. So if we take n equal to 10 and t equal to 2, let's run this. Our output is 10. So both the condition are getting justified. Let me try to debug this example as well. So initially we are having 10. 10 is greater than 0, condition is justified. Product is 0 because 10 mod 10 equal to 0. Product equal to 0, break. We don't have to increment this time. Our resulting output will be 10 directly. Print out 10. Now let me just copy this solution over LeetCode. I have copied this. Now remaining part. Let's just try to run the initial test cases. So runtime is coming as 0 millisecond. Let's just try to submit this solution. So yes, see, that's a good runtime, and it also beats the 100% of the solution, and memory wise it's also good. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your groups. Thank you.